Diastole is the part of the cardiac cycle when the heart refills with blood following systole. Ventricular diastole is the period during which the ventricles are filling and relaxing, while atrial diastole is the period during which the atria are relaxing. The term diastole originates from the Greek word I to the first I plus or minus I florin I, meaning dilation. Diastole is closely related to the phenomenon of recoil within ballistics. Inside the heart. During ventricular diastole, the pressure in the ventricles drops from the peak that it reaches in systole. When the pressure in the left ventricle drops to below the pressure in the left atrium, the mitral valve opens, causing accumulated blood from the atrium to flow into the ventricle. Early diastole, that is, the E wave and the EA ratio, is a suction mechanism. In late diastole, that is, the A wave, as the left and right atria contract, the blood pressure in each atrium increases, forcing additional blood into the ventricles. This is known as atrial kick. 80% of the blood flows passively down to the ventricles during the E-wave active suction period, so the atria do not have to contract a great amount. The ventricular filling velocity or flow into the ventricles have two main components. First, an early diastolic one caused ventricular suction, and second, a late one created by atrial contraction. The EA ratio can be used as a diagnostic measure, since it is reduced in diastolic dysfunction. Inside the arteries, the adjective diastolic is used to refer to filling of the heart with blood between muscle contractions. It is used to describe the opposite portion of the cardiac cycle related to contraction. More typically, it is used as one component of measurement of blood pressure. Diastolic pressure refers to the lowest pressure within the arterial bloodstream occurring during each heartbeat. The other component of blood pressure is systolic pressure, which refers to the highest arterial pressure during each heartbeat. Clinical notation: when blood pressure is stated for medical purposes, it is usually written as a seeming ratio of systolic to diastolic pressure. For example, 120/80ths mHg. This is not intended to be read as a ratio and for the vast majority of purposes cannot be legitimately read as a ratio. It is not a display of a numerator over a denominator but rather a medical notation used for quickly showing the two clinically significant pressures involved and cannot be reduced into lower terms. See also, systole, blood pressure, Wiggers diagram, references. External links, Diastole Medicine Dictionary.